applesauce or coleslaw. They also have hot ham and cheese sandwich, tenderloin sandwich, all that. It's supposed to open at 11 in the pavilion. Over Peru, Indiana. The other was the A.D. Baker Company over Swanton, Ohio. In the A.D. Baker Company, there are two steam tractors left. One is non-operational, a 1530 that is in the Henry Ford Museum, and then there is a 2040 up in New York State. That's one operational from them. The Bryan steam tractor, we think there are about 6 of them, and there are 5 that are in pieces or are on static display. There's one that works. So in the whole United States,